Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter option in Microsoft Word. Format Painter actually helps us copy all the formatting of one object and copy it to another object. Let me show you how we can do that. Right over here you can see we have this chapter 1 option. I'm gonna increase its size like this, making it bold, and I'm underlining it as well. And one more thing, I'm gonna change its font to New Times Roman. I can also change the font color right from here as well. So I have done all sort of formatting with this particular heading, and now I want this particular formatting to be applied to other chapters as well. So what I would do, I would simply select it like this, go over here into clipboard option, and right over here you can see we have this option Format Painter, and the shortcut for it is Ctrl Shift plus C for copying and Ctrl Shift plus V to apply it to another object. Let me click over here, and now you can see our cursor turned into a sort of brush. Simply go over to the object where you want this formatting to be applied and simply select it like this, as you can see, and leave, and there you go. The formatting that was there in this particular heading gets applied to this heading. Let me undo it to show you the shortcut. Simply go over here, select it, and press Ctrl Shift C from your keyboard, and come right over here and select it and press Ctrl Shift V, and there you go. Now if you want to apply the formatting in multiple places, then simply select it and double click on your Format Painter option. Double click, and let me show you. I will do it multiple times simply by double clicking over here. I will do it in multiple places. Select and leave, select and leave, select and leave, and there you go. So this is how you can apply Format Painter option in Microsoft Word. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.